On going to the dispo this week. I am out. Also, we're live.
I'm gonna write the email today.
Cool. Yeah, we're live. So
Woo!
don't well, Jesus Christ, Dave, put your penis away, Lord.
Oh man, that bread was fucking good.
Did that bread really hit the spot? You were craving buttered bread.
I did.
That's hilarious.
I did forget to roll a joint though. I know, but I have been smoking all morning, so I'm pretty fucking high. Right.
I'm rationing out. I got a free eighth the other day at Jars because I cashed in my points. It's almost gone. I smoke too much weed.
That's cool. What do you mean? So, how much did you spend to get that eighth for free?
I have no idea what their point conversion is. I think it was like 525 points is what I ended up using. I think you get like a point $1.
Yeah, sounds right.
You know, that's usually how they do it. I used to get points with the quickness there because Matt didn't have his card and also weed wasn't legal, so I would always buy weed for him at Jars. And like, I mean, I've cashed in their highest tier is a free half ounce, and I think I've done that at least once, possibly twice. And it's like 1,900 points. It was always nice buying weed for other people. I can't say that online, but I did.
Let's see. Well, it's legal now, but
Yeah.
yeah, you can't be saying that shit online.
I know.
Just broke my plastic grinder.
Oh, you little garbage grinder. Get a metal one like an adult.
Hey, you do. You know what? I cleaned like, well, I have like 3 smoking. Oh, where'd you go? Can you hear me? So I have like 3 smoking cabinets at my house, just spaced out, and I cleaned everything. Everything's super clean. So I just cleaned out a bunch of these Phoenician grinders with the little Canifest logo on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Canifest, November 14th.
Yeah.
2021.
I also have a Phoenician grinder. They can't see it because we haven't started the show yet. But I'm gonna play that song.
Hey, play that shit.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
Woo! It is July 26th, 2021. Time just keeps on flying by. And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
Baby boy, we are bridging gaps between the cannabis, the comedy, the crypto, and the stock game, which if you follow the show, starts with a C as well. It drives me crazy. It's the only one that doesn't start with a C. I have OCD. I clearly have OCD. It drives me fucking insane.
Huge shout out to Green Farms Dispensaries and Terp Labs here in Arizona. Go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff. They keep us high, and they want to keep you high too. So go check them out. Brian, who else do we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They've been featured on Yahoo Business and Market Watch. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. You can use it with TradingView.com. It sends very clear buy and short signals, giving you confidence to make good trades. Cheat Code Algorithm, we got a link in the description. Check it out. They give you a couple bucks off, and then they give us some money too, so you can help support the show.
Forgot to send you over the new correct information to place in the bottom of the video.
What do you mean?
Silly fucking me.
You have new info.
Well, I just have updated some shit. I add some things on.
You're also supposed to send me logos, and you haven't done that either.
Yeah, that's another thing that I haven't done yet. But I did this beautiful Google Doc this morning. Aren't you happy?
Yeah.
It looks a little bit different. It looks clean and nice, right?
Yeah. If you put half as much effort into promoting as you did with this fucking Google Doc, people would actually watch this show. I think you think like all the information that we're throwing at the people is what makes them come.
Well, I know, but like it takes me like a half hour to do this, so like it's great because when I'm reading, I just take everything and fucking slap a link on this Word doc and call it a fucking day. So this is good. We got a great day for you.
Yeah,
great
this is a good one. Pretty decent day in the stock market. Let's just check that right while we're at it.
Boom.
FinViz, overall, fairly green day. Some sectors are really red. Medical's taking a shit today. Tech and semiconductors are pretty down. But the market rallies on the backs of Tesla, which has earnings today. I don't know that they've posted yet, right?
I don't know if Tesla did today yet, but it is today.
Yeah, Tesla's earnings is today. It's up 3.41%. It's definitely leading the charge here in like, the S&P 500. And because of Tesla, all fucking EV is running too, pretty much, including, I ate my words, I was wrong, CCIV. While it did not blow up, it is up today. I was expecting it to crash.
It fucking soared.
It didn't, it's up, it's up 9%. Yeah, it's not terrible.
Oh, it's great.
It's not even as high as it was at the end of June. It was higher at the end of June.
So it ended the day up, I think, 6 or 7%, and then it went up another pushing 10% right now. That's great. That's almost 20% in less than 24 hours.
Yeah, we'll see how there's still 3.5 hours left in the day. We'll see how it closes out the day. Dave literally texted the Discord at like 6:08 this morning, and he's just like, Brian was wrong! And I'm like, dude, that market hasn't even opened yet. What are you talking about? Everybody knows pre-market is a lie. Which is
You're right.
Pretty much the case. It was up higher in pre-market. It's down a little bit now. But currently I am wrong. It went up. Good for you.
Yeah,
I have a feeling...
I called that last time. I called it. I just called it because we lived through it. History always repeats itself. The last time when it hit up $60, $65 and then it went down, it was up until like Tuesday or Wednesday, and then it's going to come back down. People like hype. People like hype.
Yeah, the thing is just not that much actual hype around this. I was gonna say, I feel like if you're an actual stockholder in CCIV or Lucid, you're okay with this because it didn't fucking skyrocket just to crash. Took a little bit of a pop up, and we'll see what it's gonna do from there.
I really like that though. I'm a big fan, and so that's what I have for our first article for Small Talk was Lucid today. I liked it. Who knows? It's worth $24 billion right now. So if it doubles, that's going to be like NIO, and that's what NIO's trading at. They're both luxury. It's the Chinese luxury EV company. So why wouldn't it be like the same thing, right? Is that just me?
Yeah, that's just you. That's just a false corollary. You can't just this is like that, so it's going to be like that. That's just not how it works. That's how people get you to dump money in it. You just said if Lucid doubles, then it'll be like NIO. Oh, okay. If something doubles, then it'll be like this other thing. Congratulations. So right now it's literally half.
It's just starting. It's just starting. And
it's not just starting.
Well, no, it'll start. I think no, it's gonna go down in the next couple days.
Yeah, it's not just starting. This bitch has been trading forever. It's just the ticker change that happened today.
Yeah, well, I understand that. I understand that. But at the same time, so has NIO. So NIO has a market cap of $69 billion. And then Lucid LCID now, since ticker change.
I don't understand. Why do you there's still NIO. What do you mean by this?
I just see a lot of potential.
Yeah, you only see potential. You're a literal hopeless optimistic.
I don't know how long it's going to take, but I just see a lot of potential. And that's why I'm just going off of what NIO did and, the exact same price evaluation. I don't know. Fuck you, Brian.
I don't understand why. This is what... It's I need to be right about this, so I'm going to compare apples to oranges. Compare this Chinese luxury. Are either one of these companies producing anything?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, you drove by the Lucid warehouse.
Oh, really? Have you seen a Lucid car on the road?
Well, it's yes, Ben has. Ben went to the Scottsdale Lucid and test drove it. He was in one.
Do you see people driving around in Lucid vehicles?
Let me see. Let's go to Lucid.
The answer is no. They're not. I don't think they're in production yet. I think you could take pre-orders. Is NIO in production?
Yeah, Neil's already out there. Neil's selling vehicles.
Okay, this is my point here. Like, yeah, you see the potential here, but okay, like Lucid still has to be in production. Neo's in production. They have a vehicle they're actually selling. I could be wrong about Lucid, but I don't think that they're
This is where Ben would come in handy. So Ben was in a Lucid vehicle. He said he
Yeah.
drove it around.
I know
So
I'm not saying they don't exist because they have like a prototype or a model car that I've seen video of it driving around. I'm saying nobody owns Lucid right now. They're taking reservations to try to fund production. Like Neo is a production vehicle, correct?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you're right. So when you go on the lucidmotors.com website, there's only 3 tabs to click, and one of them is reserve. So you're right. And it's only $300 to reserve the $69,000 one.
It's $3,000, isn't it?
No, it's just $300. So the Air Pure reserves $300. The Air Touring, which was $88,000, which is $1,000, and the Air Grand Touring, which is the $131, reserve $1,000. Yeah, the Air Pure, it says $300.
Add an extra zero there by accident. Woohoo!
But yeah. All right, fucking enough wits. Lucid. Tell me about this fucking Dogepalooza.
Yeah, Dogepalooza coming to Texas, which is just a hop, skip, and no legal weed away, so I stay the fuck out of Texas. God damn, do I hate that state. Dogepalooza is coming 2021. Here's what we know about this can't miss Doge event. So there's basically just a full day-long Doge festival. Kind of broke it. It's from 12 to 10 p.m. on Saturday, October 9th. From 12 to 5, there's some family-friendly entertainment, and then the 5 to 10 slot being time for adults to, quote, let their hair down and party like it's 1999.
I love 1999.
There's free parking for the event. There is a private airport across the street. They have welcomed Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and other famous people. Doesn't mean they're coming. Let's see. Dogepalooza will feature Dionne Warwick, who will perform That's What Friends Are For live. Damian Elliott, Nomad, is headlining Dogepalooza. And...
no idea who that is.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's just like a little Doge fest. I'm sure it's going to be fun but garbagey, no offense.
Dude, it looks wild. I think it's going to be a wild fucking time.
Are you going to go?
I can't. I'm really not allowed back in Texas, bro. So I'm not going to Texas.
Oh, yeah, you're going to get arrested if you go there, aren't you?
Yeah, I am not going there.
Yeah. So, yeah, stay out. This is what I'm saying, guys. Stay out of Texas if you smoke weed. Don't go there.
That's unfortunate, because that's where our fucking Doge Mania, Doge Central is going to be. It's going to be in fucking Texas.
I know. Doge, let's pop over and take a look at that real quick.
Yeah, we got a lot decent amount of crypto news.
22 cents. You know, my dad probably actually upped money on his Doge now. He got lucky. He got very lucky.
Yeah, he's probably up a couple $100.
No, he's probably up like... He bought it like 21 and it's at... He bought it like 21.5 and it's at 22, so he's probably up like $10. He bought like $100 worth.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going.
That's that. Bitcoin up right now. We'll see. Bitcoin and Doge both up right now.
And we found out why.
Oh, is this me too?
Yeah, that's you. Look at you. Look at the names.
I didn't realize that I was taking all of them.
Oh yeah, that's all you, baby boy.
Bitcoin and other cryptos surge on Amazon payment rumors. So there's a rumor going around that Amazon Payments might be accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. Rally was linked to well-founded speculation that Amazon could be poised to enter the crypto arena. They're gonna. Bezos wants more money. He's not gonna not do. He's literally entered everything else.
Yeah, I agree.
And it says here, the speculation began after Amazon posted a job advertisement for a, quote, digital currency and blockchain product lead based out of its Seattle headquarters. the posting said the role would be based within Amazon's payment acceptance and experiencing team, suggesting the company could be looking to accept crypto in the near future. So there you go.
God, that just opens so many fucking doors.
Yeah.
Because you can make money off any platform. Figure out how to fucking send your coins. Bam, you can buy anything off Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
Wow. Without the hassle of sending anything to your bank. Wow.
It's pretty dope.
It's fucking amazing. It's fucking amazing. And then yeah, you got one more of your little.
This is so fucking stupid. I gotta show you the video too. I'm so glad you put this in there. There's a video. Yeah. There's like a hype video the guy made to like promote his journey. It's hilarious. It's great. Yeah. So Florida man washes ashore after trying to walk to New York in a bubble device. This fucking dude in Florida, he made this like running bubble wheel that floats, and he was trying to run from Florida to New York. He ended up washing ashore 30 miles south of where he started. Now, I'm not a geography expert, but I'm pretty sure that New York is north of Florida.
Come on.
So the Coast Guard picked him up. He said that he was trying to run to the northern U.S. or Bermuda, which is not New York. He wants to raise money for homeless people, raise money for the Coast Guard, raise money for the police department, raise money for the fire department. Quote, they are in public service, they do it for safety, and they help other people. And he's basically saying, chase your dreams. So, yeah, I've got a video here of his, like, hype video, and we're definitely playing it.
Bro, how does he not... Did he not bring his phone with him? Did he not bring a map? Like, any sort of, like, GPS fucking device?
I think it's just hard to walk against the rising tides, baby. We know that about the stock market, you know? By the way, this video is very well made, but, like, his first language definitely is not English, because there's just, like, very obvious spelling errors, or, like, sentence structures, but here's the bubble. It's amazing.
I'm watching it on YouTube right now.
He left the lorem ipsum in the bottom left corner when you finally do hit the bubble part, which I think is fucking hysterical. Lorem ipsum is filler text. This guy just put in a block of filler text and didn't even place anything in there. That's so funny.
God. Yeah, Bermuda's fucking wild, so I understand why he wants to go there. Oh, wow. He wants to have minimal amount of food, minimal amount of water.
Yeah, I mean, like, what did it's happened soon. Travel to Bermuda. Run with Reza Bellucci. Bruh, this guy's my fucking hero. Not really not my hero, because he ended up 30 miles south of where he started. But, I mean, at the same time, chase your dreams. I love it.
It's historical. Alright, that's fucking the random articles we got for today.
That's so silly.
Yeah, let's move it back into the stocks. Alright, what are you smoking on, by the way? What do you have over there?
This is what I got from Jars the other day with my points. It is their platinum level French cookies. It's delightful.
French cookies.
What are you smoking on?
I don't think I've heard of that one yet. I have some Purple Punch from Green Farms.
Nice.
That's what I'm smoking on, yeah. Alright, so we got a little bit of SPAC and IPO news.
Let's hear it, baby.
So I grabbed the first one. You got two of them today. Man, Robinhood. Robinhood's IPO is dropping this fucking week. This week.
Oh.
It's in this article. It said people that are close to the situation said that it is going to drop July 29th. So it's not guaranteed. But whenever there's a rumor in the stock market, it's usually buy the rumor, sell the fucking news.
Yep.
So there, we could jot down, hey, what is it right now, and then maybe sell Friday night or Friday morning or Thursday night, something like that.
Wow.
Robinhood's gonna be dropping.
That's crazy.
Right, so Robinhood is defying conventions as it advances towards a public debut, not quite like any other. The company is reserving as much as 35% of its shares for traders from its own app, who would ordinarily have to wait until they start trading on the exchange to buy them. potentially at a higher price than the current target range of $38 to $42. Bro, it's going to debut at $70.
You think so?
That's my guess. Yeah, $70. I think people might be funny and try to make it to 69, something like that.
That's hilarious.
But the company is expected to start trading on the NASDAQ stock market on July 29th, according to people with knowledge of the matter.
Yep. And it's saying they're striving for a valuation as high as $35 billion, seeking to raise about $2 billion, and will trade under the ticker HOOD.
Jesus.
Can't wait. It's long anticipated. Will I buy it the day it drops? Absolutely not. I'm not that crazy. I'm also poor, so I don't do shit like that. But yeah, people have been waiting for this for a long time.
Yeah, I have been.
A very long time. And
I have been.
You have been. What are you going to do when it drops?
I don't know.
I know what you're going to do.
What am I going to do?
You know.
I don't know if I'm going to.
You know you're going to do it. You know that you can't help but do it. And of
know.
course I'm talking about impulse buy it immediately.
Yeah, I don't know. I just averaged down and threw another $1,000 into Doge, as I told you.
You put another $1,000
No, just the one on Friday. I could have. I didn't want to.
Oh,
But
okay.
I can't. I have to stop. I have to limit myself. I have to be like, all right, I'm only going to allow an extra, I think I told you, $200 a month. That's what I'm only going to give myself. And play which I have right now, but I'll add $200 a month.
I like
there's
take
one-
out $200 a month in Robinhood. I don't put any money in. And I don't
I put more in. I put like $200 more in just so I can either average down on something from me being like a dumbass or me throwing lottery tickets right out the window.
Yeah. I think it's been about a year since I put money in.
Good for you, though.
Yeah, it's been cool.
Yeah.
I have no reason to do it.
You got the next one, Baba.
Maxsite Inc. Interesting. Hang on. My link popped up really low down here. You're going to pull up their
It's just the
website.
When you click the link, it's just the website.
Yeah. Maxsite Inc. has set terms for its initial public offering, in which the Maryland-based cell engineering company could be valued at up to $1.31 billion. I can hear myself. The company is looking to raise up to $162 million, as it is offering 12 million shares in the IPO, which is expected to price between $11.50 and $13.50 a share. The company expects to have 96.69 million shares outstanding after the IPO. The stock is expected to list under the NASDAQ, under the symbol MXCT. Is that out yet?
I did not check,
MXCT.
but I will be adding this to a list that this is going on the watch list. Easily going on the watch list.
Yeah, it's not trading yet.
Yeah, no, I'll put it down on the bottom.
Okay.
But this is one that I would love to put on. This is just one. Any sort of like cell engineering, gene editing, man, how is that not the future? So.
Yeah, see, that's the thing, though, is that I don't know, I feel like they're penny stocks at the end of the day. Seeing what this thing wants to trade at, I think it's going to dip back into penny land, and then it'll surge because that's what happens.
Yep, I agree with that statement. I can easily see that. Yeah, it'll go back to like $9, $10.
Something like that.
And then it'll shoot up when there's a bull season.
Yeah, I was thinking more like $6, $7, honestly, but yeah.
Oh, so cut in half.
Yeah, probably.
To $500,000 or $750 million of a company?
Why are they a $1.31 billion company, you know? They have a
Cell
nice...
engineering.
Yeah, and?
That's wild.
Yeah, but there's other cell engineering companies, you know what I mean, that don't do well. Yeah,
Right.
it's just like, what are they doing differently? That's what I'm saying. I don't know anything about this, honestly, but
Yeah.
I've seen shit like this before. I'm unimpressed.
It's going on the watch list.
Of course it is. Everything goes on
Going
the
on
watch
the
list.
watch list. All right. Trending tickers and added tickers. That's you, bub.
Trending tickers. 1 second. Just
Yeah,
gotta
we
clean
use
up some of these
Yahoo.
tabs here.
Good. Yeah, we use Yahoo Finance just to see the trending tickers, what's going on today. What is, the public, the American eye looking at? What's so generic, so basic? Bam, here it is.
We got LUCID, LCID. That is at the top of Yahoo Finance. Not trending on StockTwits, by the way. Just FYI.
Interesting.
Coin, yep. Coinbase, trending on StockTwits, having a much better day. Up 8.48%, $19.
What is that? What's Coinbase at?
It is at $244.
Coin. 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 And did it debut at 350? What did it debut at?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Let's put it down. Put it to the 1 day mark. And yeah, yes it did.
It was like 300. Yeah, it's way down.
Still down.
Wow. It was like 450. Whoo! Bruh. That's rough.
All right, going back to that Robinhood article we were talking about. Coinbase, yeah. So I have it on the day view, and it looks like it's consolidating. It fell for a while. It's been consolidating for at least 2 months now.
Yeah,
that could make a nice run. But do you think this Robinhood will just be like this, or?
I mean, it won't be this extreme.
You don't think so?
No, I mean it's just because they're not aiming for a $300 price target. You know. Just saying, like, it won't open at $375. That's not gonna happen. They're looking at like $38 shares, you know.
Yeah, because Robinhood's selling a lot more shares.
Yeah.
All right, what else we got?
Riot Mara Bitcoin all up. Riot Mara doing great. Riot's up 20%. Mara's up 15. Bitcoin up 15.
We should have known better. We should have known this.
Why? I didn't know anything about this. Like,
well, no, we should have known. Hey, look at Bitcoin struggling. Hey, let's see if there's like what are the Bitcoin stocks looking like? They could have been super cheap on some fucking options last week.
Yeah, they probably were.
You know, and if we bought some that like 3-4 months out, because I bet they were super cheap.
Bitcoin, yeah. I mean, Bitcoin's having a great day. The Amazon, I mean, that's big news, you know?
Huge news.
So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. That's the mining stocks are all, well, some of them are doing decently. Ebon's up 6%, but that's 13 cents. That's not doing great.
$2.28, bro. Oh my god.
So down.
So many bag holders.
Yeah, SOS also not having a great day. I mean, it's up 4%, but 12 cents. It's at 260. Then another one of the trending tickers, AMC. And baby boy, do I have an AMC story for you. I've been waiting for my in to talk about this.
Love it. Let's hear it.
Quick break from the stocks. As you know, big fan of the movies. I love going to the movies. There's an AMC theater right down the street from me. I am an AMC A-list member. So, you know, I pay for the membership, $20 a month, whatever. That's not the point. Anyway, Devin and I, we go to see Snake Eyes at 2:30 in the afternoon on Saturday, a nice little matinee showing. We show up, we get in line to get popcorn and drinks and shit, and I have not eaten today, so it's like, I'm going to get chicken tendies. They don't have chicken tendies, which is a disappointment immediately, you know, because I was like, chicken tenders at AMC theaters are cheaper than popcorn at AMC theaters. It makes no sense. They're like, okay. Yeah, they're like $7 and popcorn's like $11. It's fucking ridiculous. But I was like, I'll get pretzel bites instead. So we got there at like, it was 2:15 when I ordered. I'm just gonna cut to the end. I got my pretzel bites at 2:43. I waited 28 minutes for this shit. Dude, the back area, the kitchen, just complete chaos. Like, the manager was like a 17-year-old girl in cat eye makeup. She had no fucking clue how to manage anybody. There was this chick who was clearly too pretty to be working because she was dumb as all fuck, and she was in charge of like running the toaster oven. In 28 minutes, she cooked and cut like 2 pizzas. It was ridiculous, and the pizzas only needed to be in the oven for like 2 minutes. Her and this other dude that were working there, like 2 minutes after I ordered my food, they walked into the back area and didn't come back for like 15 minutes. And that's when everything just went to shit because like a bunch of people ordered food and nothing was happening. And then like they came back Some dude got told he wasn't going to get his hot dogs. He started losing his fucking mind. He was just like, I can't fucking believe this. I ordered hot dogs. And she's like, well, sir, they're made to order and they're going to take 15 to 20 minutes. It was just a complete breakdown. And then finally, I got to talk to somebody. It was the chick that was cooking food. And she was like, what are you waiting for? Just like kind of a bitch to me. And I was like, are you kidding me right now? I was like, I'm waiting for pretzel bites and I can't wait any longer because my movie's starting. And she's just like, well, they're next, so you're going to have to wait a little bit more. And then she just walked away, and I was like, I can't fucking believe this chick. And then she did bring over my pretzel bites, and I ate them, and they were fine. But, dude, not worth waiting a half an hour. I was livid.
Did she bring them in the movie theater to you?
No, I had to wait outside the theater. I missed all the previews. I literally walked in the minute the movie started. Oh, I was so pissed.
I don't fucking love it. That's your AMC right there in a fucking nutshell.
I know.
In a fucking nutshell.
Okay,
That's a good story.
Yeah, that was a quick one for you.
All right, let me bring up the word doc real quick. All right. Another thing that I wanted to add today, because the next couple weeks we're going to be talking a lot about earnings. So I added our TradingView account's earnings calendar.
Oh.
Pretty good. So what I did was I just went through the market cap. Clearly you could tell who the bigger companies are.
Hey, you can only be logged in on one device over there.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. That's when I was actually copying this link to put it into the Discord. I had them both up at the same time.
Okay, so we got...
There's only one big one today, which is Tesla. And then as the week goes on, you are getting the heavy hitters. Like, for example, tomorrow is whole Microsoft, Google, UPS, Visa, Starbucks. The list goes on. So I don't know if you wanted to go over any of those today real quick. Maybe there was an overnight play you wanted to do.
I don't know. Earnings just makes me way too... It's too unpredictable. You know,
Okay.
You look at Apple has earnings tomorrow, right? They're probably going to post historic earnings again, but it's just a 50-50. What do, you know?
Yeah, it's maybe that's too big. Maybe we can scroll down to, I don't know. There's a lot of fucking
There's
companies.
a lot of earnings happening.
There's a lot of earnings just tomorrow. And I'm scrolling down and they're still in the billions. The fucking billions, bro.
Crazy.
I'm still going down. Let me go to the, I don't know, $5 billion. JetBlue.
We have to find... There's always people on Instagram that make important earnings calendar, infographics. Ben found them, I think, last earnings thing. He was looking for them, but we could find that and start bringing them up during the rest of the week.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic. I'll try to find that, or even ask him bro, where'd you find that calendar?
Yeah. But
there's a lot this week. There's a lot. So if you're looking into the earnings play, definitely keep an eye out.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah. What else we got? Then after that, what about any plays?
I got
moving on.
No plays 3, baby.
No plays?
Nope.
Why?
I got CCIV puts. They expire at the end of the week.
Are they worthless?
No.
They're not worthless?
Nope.
What are they at right now?
They're at, I think last I checked they were 3 cents. I bought them at 4.
Oh. All right. Yeah, same thing with me. I haven't moved. I got the HYLN calls that expire August 20th, the 50.5s. And that's pushing $10. I like that.
Nice.
I got a whole month to sit on that. I got 5 of them. It's I'm thinking about putting another 5 in for $35. So I just like it. I was I think this another $35 can do some wonders. So I added shit to my Robinhood, and now it takes 2 days to get my money in. So I don't know what happened. It used to be instant.
Well, you got put in trader jail for a little while.
I did get put into trader jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I haven't really been putting any money in, so I tried to do it the other day. I was I'll put in $25.50 today, and I realized it hasn't even hit my account yet. Fuck, I was damn it.
Dang.
But yeah, then I sold my workhorse WKH last week, if you guys were listening, and I put into Doge to average down. But that brings us to our fucking watch list now. Man, good day for our watch list, I would say.
Yeah.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
I'd say it's very, very green.
Lot of green there.
A lot of green, a lot of things to look forward to. So fucking If you're a bag holder, you might be a little happy.
Yeah, maybe for sure. I mean, Doge definitely went on a little bit of a run. That made new bag holders just a couple days ago, so some people may have recouped some losses. Riot's looking great. Mara also looking quite good. Be nice to see the other Bitcoin stocks. It's unfortunate, the Chinese ones didn't rally so much. It's probably because of the regulation. That shit's still fucking with them.
Oh, do you know why?
Why?
What was going on in fucking China? There was an article that I almost put on this morning, and now that I'm on the spot, I can't think of what. Oh, it was the cracking down on schooling.
On schooling?
Private schooling. So
Okay.
China's having a big crackdown on private schooling, and so it affected the whole market. And so that's probably a reason why EBON and SOS isn't soaring like Riot and Mara today. But that's just me talking out of my ass. I don't know. But that is going on over there.
Okay. Interesting theory.
What about Hasbro? HAS. Hasbro, the toy maker.
Wow.
Bro. Look, do you see what look at that article? That wasn't even me writing that. So this article from Reuters. Toy maker Hasbro Inc. beat quarterly revenue estimates on Monday as demand for its Dungeons and Dragons tabletop game rose, and its film and television production business returned to growth after being largely shut down by the pandemic last year.
Wow.
Out of all the things to pick, that's what they picked.
Yeah. I mean, Dungeons and Dragons made them a lot of money.
That means Toys R Us back home is having a field day.
Toys R Us is closed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
Damn.
They closed like 5 or 6 years, or maybe like 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
No, they didn't.
Yeah. Toys R Us.
Put Nashua, New Hampshire.
Oh, wait, never mind. Toys R Us is open still?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. All right, did you type in the one in Nashua?
Was it Babies R Us that closed?
Yeah, Babies R Us closed a long time.
Okay, yeah. Who the fuck goes to Toys R Us though?
Fucking people that are trying to buy Dungeons and Dragons because it's probably
no.
sold
You
out.
don't go to you don't go to you don't go there. You either buy it online or you go to game shops. Like that shit doesn't get sold. You can't even get Dungeons and Dragons at Walmart. Maybe you can now.
What is this tabletop? No, you can't. I don't think you get anything at Walmart since everybody started fighting each other with all those Pokemon cards and shit.
Yeah, they had to start locking them up.
What happened with this? Like, what is this tabletop thing? Tabletop game? What's that thing?
It's just like role-playing tabletop games. It's fun. I played Dungeons and Dragons before. It's a lot of fun. You know, you just like you make your own character with like stats and shit, and then you act like that character. You know, you play like that character, and it's just a lot of like bullshitting with a bunch of people, but in character. It's fun.
Interesting.
It's nerd shit, without a doubt. You know.
I had no idea. But going back to what we were originally talking about, Hasbro, HAS, doing fucking great.
Yep.
It's doing
Up
fucking great.
$12, 13%, doing great. Yeah, I mean, imagine just buying like $95 calls yesterday, or well, I guess not yesterday, Friday.
All right, so today's Monday. Earnings apparently doing well. We'll check Tesla right after this. So if today's doing well, does that mean tomorrow's earnings are going to be bad, or is tomorrow's also going to be good?
I don't know. See, the thing is, like, Hasbro set this precedent so far of beating earnings and going up, which is like what it should do. You know, the problem is when you have things that like do the opposite. Like, the last Apple earnings, I'm pretty sure Apple beat the shit out of earnings and then it tanked. You know, like that's not how it should go in a normal world. Like Hasbro beating earnings and going up is what should happen, and that makes me feel like it's a trap.
Strong buy in TradingView. Still, right now, strong buy.
Yep.
Wow. $14 billion market cap. What does it look like on the 1 hour view? Oh, man. It's saying the fourth profit margin might be 122 for Hasbro. Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's great.
Wow.
Yeah, it just hit the take profit 1 line. It's like, what?
It hasn't even hit it. It hasn't even hit the one profit. Take
I'm
profit
on the
one.
30-minute chart.
Oh, on the 1 hour, that's what they say to use it on. It hasn't even hit the profit one.
Wild.
Wow.
Wild.
Let's keep an eye on that. We should look at options. I bet they're too expensive, actually.
Yeah, they probably don't even exist for that much. Like, Hasbro's not exactly a heavily traded stock, as far as I know, you know?
I don't even know where I put my phone. Alright, well, I'm not gonna look up the options. I can't find my phone. How did I do with it? Alright. Okay. Yeah, Hasbro. HAS.
Good
We went over... Yeah, we already went over LUCID, LCID, and... did we talk about Workhorse yet?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You called it. Technical still in a sell. Yeah. Technical sell. Trading View Workhorse. And then we talked about AMC and then Spirit. SPRT. Do you see that one? That one's having a great fucking day.
That is a nice day. Yeah.
Support, not Spirit.
Support.
I think that they have something to do with crypto because they're taking off with everybody else.
Yeah, they're little cup and handle forming up there for sure.
It was
looks
down.
like big old scoop coming out. Yeah.
Look at it was down for a while.
Yeah. Play to keep an eye on. Swing play for sure if you want it.
Yeah. So that's a nice little pump. And then red is OCG. They are not having a good day.
OCG or OCGN?
Yeah. OCG. OCG. We talk about this a couple of times and we always forget what this is.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about this one.
What do you mean?
I think this one just got confused with OCGN and that's why it's in here.
No.
I don't give two shits about it.
We do this all the fucking time and
yeah,
you're right.
It's garbage. It's nothing.
I can't think of it
Oriental
right
Culture Holding. It's nothing.
But what was it?
It got confused with OCGN. It's just a Chinese pump and dump.
Alright, I'll take it off. I don't have to stare at it anymore.
No volume. It's just trash.
Right. It's off.
Great.
Actually, it's not off yet. Did you take it off?
What?
Did you take it off?
No.
Can't find it. Alright, what else we got? We got really no random news. There is one more thing I would like to talk about before we go. Brian, do you want to go over this article real quick?
Sure. It says Americans know about cryptocurrency, but most aren't interested in investing. So, yeah, just says that things like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are entrenching themselves in financial and cultural lexicon, but most people are not ready to take the crypto plunge. A YouGov survey of 1,715 adults conducted for Yahoo found that 89% of respondents had heard of Bitcoin, and a clear majority, 57%, of those who were aware would not invest in any cryptocurrency. It'd be interesting to see what the age demographic of that is. I feel like if you polled a younger demo, it would probably shift a little bit. But yeah. I think I think everybody knows about Bitcoin now, but people are like, they're scared of it. And I just tell them at the end of the day, it's like, I mean, if you're going to invest in the stock market, you can invest in cryptocurrency too. You know, you got to like do your due diligence just as much, but like crypto's just stocks. It's just money, you know?
It doesn't close.
Doesn't close. Yeah.
You play it whenever the little heart fucking desires.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was our fucking show today. Hope everybody enjoyed us getting high. Hopefully you're getting high with us, talking stocks, talking crypto. A lot of fucking shit. Please like, subscribe to the video down below, and then join our Discord. Join our Discord. Stoners sending gifts, making money.
Do it.
Do you have anything to leave with anybody?
Next week is Sacramento Sacktown Comedy Get Down. I'm going to be gone. We're not going to be doing the show for like at least a week. Dave said he might be coming out. That'd be fucking dope. But yeah, so if you're in Sacramento, definitely come out to the festival. It's going to be a great time. That's all I have. Dave, you have anything?
Hopefully the logo for CannaFest comes out any day now. Same thing with the vendor packet. We are throwing this gigantic fucking weed fest at a location in Arizona that has go-karts, mini golf, arcade, laser tag. You know, there's an amphitheater to lay out on and listen to some music, cabanas, fucking wild. So keep an eye out for that. Passes will be on trapcultureaz.com this week. And we love you. That's what I got for today, babe.
All right, cool. Well, let's play a song. Peace out, guys.
But. Love y'all.
Yeah, we love you. I have to be more prepared for this song. It's the same thing every time.
Fucking walking.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.